In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to add Minecraft music in Minecraft Pocket Edition. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First of all, go into your settings and make sure you scroll down into the audio tab and you enable music to however much you like. It's very important to keep music on when you install these music packs in order to make sure that you can properly hear and experience them. After you turn up to music in your settings, you can go over to the marketplace, which is the quickest and easiest way to find music replacements for Minecraft. Within the search bar, you can just type music, and using the filters, you can filter it by either popularity or price. As you can see, you can just go into the ratings, the mine coins, free packs, etc. As you can see, I'm only going to search for free packs, and you have some options to choose from. Likewise, if you set a price of mine coins, you can find paid packs that include much more content. After you select a pack, you can just open it up and download it using the mine coins or just selecting the download button on a free pack, and you will be able to hear the music right away. I hope I was able to help you on how to add music to Minecraft Pocket Edition. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.